Hi everyone, this is a collaboration and the title is 2018 Fall DIY and Decor Challenge, hosted by Christina of the DIY Mommy. Okay, so sit back and relax and let's get started. Using this Dollar Tree item from this to this. So keep watching. Placing masking tape at various spots along the circle. To place the foam board on there, you're going to glue only on the masking tape. And then once you paint any color of your choice, it's time to add all the trimming. You want to attach this trimming all the way around your circle or your wreath. That's now a wreath. With the coffee filter, I just free cut these leaves and then added the Dollar Tree acorns. For the final trim, I just added this rope all the way around, this Dollar Tree rope all the way around, loosely all the way around the wreath. And after that, that's it. We're done. I'd like to thank Christina from the DIY Mommy for hosting this wonderful collaboration and challenge. So don't forget to go check out the playlist and go see wonderful things on it. More weekly home decor and DIYs to come. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.